The Ukrainian Secret Service GUR successfully disabled another Russian warship. The Baltic Fleet minesweeper Alexander Obukov, based in the city of Baltiysk, was damaged during a special operation. After water entered the engine, it's now in for expensive and complex repairs. This is the second Russian ship disabled by Ukraine in the past 6 months.
October 3rd, 2024. Alexander Obukov. They're looking into the issue with the main engine because water got inside the engine. The turbine was dismantled and the compensator was removed. They're searching for a hole through which half the water got inside. September 29th, Батискав, Warship Alexander Obukov.
2024 года, город Балтийск, тральщик Александр Обухов.
It is reported that in Feodosia, occupied Crimea, another oil tank caught fire. In total, 6 tanks are now reportedly damaged or destroyed. Last night in occupied Feodosia, drones hit not just a regular oil depot but an important transshipment hub for the Russians. An oil port that can receive tankers with oil products all year round, store them, and supply them throughout the occupied Crimea. This is a serious blow to the logistics of the Russian troops if they fail to extinguish the fire and deal with the aftermath. Firefighters are still unable to put out the fire at the oil terminal. And in other events, the MIM-104 Patriot anti-missile system is working against Russian missiles. Defeat of a Russian Pantsir-S, one air defense system by Ukrainian special operation units. The 65th Mechanized Brigade on the Zaporizhzhia front continues to showcase its strength and skill. Direct FPV drone strike on a Russian BMP-3. A Russian soldier from the 810th Guards Naval Infantry Brigade is whining because the electronic warfare system they bought together with his parents was seized by Kadyrov's forces and installed on their Tiger armored vehicle.
Hello everyone, this is Section 13140, 810 Brigade. I have a few words to say about the humanitarian aid that's coming to us, but unfortunately, not all of it is reaching us. Well, screw it, dang it, food, medicine, heck, it's whatever. The most important thing, censored, was the rep that we were all collecting for, and my darn parents too. We also raised money for it. It was supposed to be with us yesterday. And do you know where it is now? It's mounted on an Akhmat unit Tiger vehicle. And we're left hanging, completely bare without anything. That's the way it is. Can you believe it? We'll stay alive, dang it.
Ukraine will receive $4.6 billion from the United Kingdom to purchase weapons from the British defense industry, according to the UK Defense Journal, citing the country's Ministry of Defense. The publication emphasizes that this amount provides flexibility to meet Ukraine's military needs over time, rather than an obligation to spend the entire sum immediately. And according to the update of the United Kingdom's Ministry of Defense, the average daily Russian casualties, killed and wounded in Ukraine, reached a new monthly war high during September 2024. The average daily loss rate was 1,271 per day, compared to the previous monthly war high of 1,262 recorded in May 2024, according to Ukrainian General Staff reporting. Since the start of the conflict, Russia has likely suffered over 648,000 casualties. The increase in the casualty rate since May 2024 is almost certainly due to the extension of the combat zone to include both Kharkiv and Kursk military operations, and increased intensity along the front line. Russian forces highly likely continue to attempt to stretch Ukrainian forces by utilizing mass to overwhelm defensive positions and achieve tactical gains. Russia's casualty rate will likely continue to average above 1,000 a day for the rest of 2024, despite the onset of winter. To date, winter conditions have not resulted in a reduction of offensive operations or attrition rates due to Russia's reliance on dismounted tactics and a lack of maneuver warfare, which requires better conditions. A Moscow-Kaliningrad transit train traveling through Lithuania was stopped by Lithuanian border guards at the Kina border checkpoint. They noticed the letter Z painted on one of the train's cars, as well as the inscriptions Zovi and Vilnius is a city of Russia. The train staff could not explain where and how these inscriptions appeared. As a result, the head of the train and his subordinates had to remove everything, or otherwise, Lithuanian border guards would not let the train through the border. Earlier, camouflage nets were found in several trains traveling from Kaliningrad to Moscow, which the Lithuanian customs confiscated and sent to Ukraine. Russian pilots who fly to Ukraine to kill Ukrainians make joyful videos of themselves dropping glide bombs on Ukrainian cities. All these war criminals will receive the punishment they deserve.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.